Hi, in this video we will see how to open and close Jupyter Notebook completely on your Windows computer. To open Jupyter Notebook we can do two different ways. One is we can hit the start menu and then we can click on Anaconda prompt, and from there we can type Jupyter Notebook, and once we type Jupyter Notebook we can press enter key to open Jupyter Notebook, and it will open Jupyter Notebook on any browser, and we will see the dashboard of Jupyter Notebook very shortly. So this is a Jupyter notebook, and if we scroll down then we'll see all our Jupyter notebook files, and if the files are not there we can go to a specific folder to open the Jupyter notebook. Suppose I want to open the Jupyter notebook. Okay, so once we open Jupyter notebook we can do our coding or write our own script, and then after that we need to close. So we can close this thing, but it will not close the Jupyter notebook. So let me show you. I'm going to hit close all, so it will close the thing, but the Jupyter server is running in the backend. Okay, but if I open any browser like Chrome, and if I put the same URL, okay, to explore the Jupyter notebook like localhost and tree, then you'll see that Jupyter notebook is still running. So that means Jupyter notebook is not shut down completely. How can we shut down? To shut down Jupyter notebook completely we can define two ways. One of the option is we can just close this window, I mean browser, and then go to the Anaconda prompt and hold Control key and C twice, and it will show you that it is shutting down the kernel, and in this way you can completely shut down Jupyter notebook. Okay, so this is one option to close the Jupyter notebook. There is another way you can close also this thing. So for that case we have to open Jupyter notebook from the Anaconda. So let me open Anaconda. So this is the Anaconda navigator. For this case we have to open Anaconda navigator first, and then after that we can launch Jupyter notebook from that dashboard panel. So just hold for a few seconds to open the Anaconda navigator. So once Anaconda is open, then you will see the Jupyter is there. So to open Jupyter notebook we just need to click on launch. So once you press launch button, then Jupyter notebook will be opened on the dashboard, and from here you can explore your Python script like Jupyter notebook file .jp .env this file. Okay, so now we will close Jupyter notebook. From here we can do one thing. So we can click file and then close and hold. This is one option. You can close this window, or there is another option. If you go to Jupyter notebook, then you have to choose this file, and then if you scroll up then you'll see that there is shutdown. You can press here to shut down the Jupyter notebook thing, and then finally once you complete the file then you can also quiet the whole thing, whole Jupyter thing, by pressing this quiet button. If you press quiet button then it will show you this information: server is stopped, you have shut down Jupyter. You can now close this tab. To use Jupyter again you will need to relaunch it from this Anaconda navigator. Okay, so I'm going to close this pop-up alert box, and then I finally close this thing. Now in this way we can completely close this Jupyter thing, and finally we can close this Anaconda navigator. So in this way we can actually open Jupyter notebook to different ways, and there are multiple ways you can close the Jupyter notebook completely. Thank you for watching the video, and if you like this video don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also don't forget to share this with others. Thank you for watching.